Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your Amazon account on a computer or the mobile browser. This is faster for country settings than the Kindle itself. Once signed in, open your content and devices, then click Preferences. Make sure your payment method matches the target country and that you have the new billing address entered. This is why Amazon allows regional content. If you don't update billing info, the change can fail or restrict purchases. Now change the country/region field in Preferences. Click Change, type the new address and postal code exactly as the local format requires, then save. Amazon may prompt for a verification step. Follow email or text verification to confirm identity. Once updated, you must deregister and re-register any Kindle devices to apply the new store region. Do this from the Devices tab. This forces the device to refresh available content tied to the new country. Final steps: deregister your Kindle from the device settings, then register it again to the same Amazon account so the new country takes effect. After registering, sync and redownload your library. Some titles may be unavailable and need repurchasing from the new store. If the change doesn't apply, clear browser cache, confirm payment method matches the country, or try updating via a desktop browser. If problems persist, contact Amazon support and explain you changed billing country so they can inspect account flags.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.